I'm better. No, I'm back, and today it's going to get real. You guys know how I feel about Taeyeon, and if you don't, I love her to death. She's amazing. She has an amazing voice. She's beautiful. She's the perfect bias. So she slayed her last comeback eye with Verbal Gent, and so today she's going to be doing Rain, and I'm also going to see her today. With Crush, I think, yeah, with Crush. So I'm super excited for this, and it's about to get real. So let's press play. Oh, I can get used to this. I like that. You hear it? If you can't hear it. Her voice, okay, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but her voice can put somebody to sleep. I don't know if I agree with her hair, but her voice is slaying. Oh, yes. Maybe I don't like the bang, because it doesn't look bad. Maybe it's the bang I'm not feeling. Because she looks, I mean, whew. I think it's the bang. Because she looks, oh my god, she looks so good. She looks good right there. And I don't know if it's the effect or what it is, but she looks good. Sing your heart out, girl. Oh. Yes. Yes. This, I can't even talk. Couldn't read it. She is so amazing. Can we all just imagine Taeyeon singing like a full English song? I mean, she's already done it, but I mean like her own like solo, like an English solo. Can we just imagine that? Cause you know SM Stingy, they ain't gonna give us something like that. But I mean, they just did with the TTS. So you know, SM sometimes surprises you. Like they surprised me last night with them Taeyeon teasers. Did y'all see that? Oh, so what I want to say is that song was beautiful. I wasn't feeling the bang because when she was in the black and white, she really did look good. But I mean, Taeyeon, she got a universal face. I feel like if you give her like a red pixie cut, she'll still look I'd have to see it. But that was a beautiful, beautiful song. I definitely want to look up the meaning of it because, you know, sometimes SM be getting them writers that be writing the song right and you just be like, yes. So I'm happy with that and I'm so glad I checked it out. If you guys are wondering what I'm doing, I'm pulling up the next video because your girl is in a rush. But tell me what you guys did. Did you like the song? Is it what you were expecting? Let me know. And yeah, that's pretty much it with that. It was a short, cute song. Not a lot to say about it. So I will see y'all in the next video.